Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how you can apply to jobs on LinkedIn. So once you made an account with LinkedIn, you're going to go into the bottom right section and you can see jobs. Here are some jobs that are recommended for you, or you can go into the search bar and type in where you want the job to be and then what you want to work. Press on a job that you want to you want to apply, and press the blue apply button. Once you've pressed into this, it's going to take you into the careers page in LinkedIn or the career page on their website. You're going to press allow. You're going to scroll all the way down, read through this to make sure that you understand the requirements and pay, about you, so on and so forth. Press apply now. Most jobs will offer, and most jobs will need you to have a CV. So you're going to put in email, personal information, diversity and inclusion, additional attachments, which will be your CV. You press continue and you've applied for a job on LinkedIn. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.